Okay, welcome to this video. Now, my name is Kadek Bernuarta with last two digit name 25, and my friend Putu Bagus Fajar with two last name is 19. So now we will be explain about the project final exam distribution system course, and now we make the new college student system. So in here there are first I will be explain about the controller. So in controller we make new three controller. The first is authentication controller. So in here this controller to the function is to function login and logout. So in login like here first is there are validation the email and the password, and next after the email and password is correct, the controller will be automatically make the create a token to access all feature in the system, and after that there are the login function, and next there are a lecture controller. In lecture controller there are the first is a function index to show all data lecture there in database, and after that there are a function store to create new data lecture to the database, and in here there are the upload file, that's to the file image to the docent, and next there are a function update is to update the data lecture in database, and last is there are a function destroy to delete the data lecture in database, and this function to pick the random name file image to save to database. And next there are the student controller. In the student controller that same like the lecture controller, there are a function to create, read, update, and delete. That's a same. So I not explain more about that. And next in the module in this project, in the module lecture and student, I just add code to protect table in model lecture. This to access the lecture table, and this is to access all data in the lecture table. In the student, just add function to get to connecting to the lecture table, because in the student table let's have a foreign key the lecture that has connecting to the id or primary key in lecture table. And next I'll be explain about the migration. So in the migration, first I make the lecture table. This is to make the table in the database with the all attribute there here, and in the student migration it's the same, but like I said before, there are the foreign key. That's the lecture. Let's have a reference to ID in lecture table. And last, this is the add image to column to lecture table. So this is a migration to add the column image to table lecture, and like in here I take the image column after the nib column. And next, this is I will be explained about the routes in API. So in here, first I make the route to the login. This is there the I call the uh, authentication controller class to login. And next, I make the root group to, with the middleware. So to access lecture, student, and logout, that's what have the token from the we login first, and we can take have get the token, and after that we can access the lecture, student, and logout. We just like that, I will explain the code, and now I will be demo in the Postman. Okay, so before we start the Postman, first I will be run the PHP artisan serving the terminal Visual Studio. After we run this PHP artisan serve, we can check the API we make that's work or not. Maybe from make sure the middleware works. I want to try to show the data lecture from the database. And in here we not login, and we want to try. In here there are messages, and we don't have access to see the data from the lecture table. So the first we need to login. Before this presentation, I already set up the my Postman. So in demo, I just click send. So first we need to login. Just click send, and we can get the token. And after we access the any data with API, we need to take the token in the authentication key with value from in here, like the get data lecture. First we need to copy the API the token, and after we take the token, we just need to send, and here we can see the data in the table lecture. Okay, next, the post data or create new data to database. We just click send, and next we can see the data create success. Can check will there are the name ada data in lecture data, and we sorry, we need to add the key. Sini we just here after that next we send. Okay, we can check. Yeah, there name Kadek Banuarta. Okay, after success to add a new data, now we will try to put the data. I already make the prepare the data. So now we will be try to change the data with ID 14, and we click send. Yeah, the data created success. Okay, I forget to change to update. Sorry. And we will try to check. And you can see data with ID 14 is already changed to Kadayota Erlanda Arianto. Next, we will be try to delete. We will be delete the data with 14. We change this to 14 and we click send. Sorry, I'm forget again to change to data. Say this data is already deleted. We can check and we can see the last ID. The data is 13. There is no the 14 uh, ID data and from student like that too. Now I will be tied to the logout. Okay, logout. Just click. And after that, with this there is no nothing, but we can check. We can look request again or not. Nah, we can see we cannot be request any data again. So maybe just like that, I can demo about the Postman and will be continue to the my friend about the hosting. Thank you.